Our short phrase and sentence for you today is Imaramma. Imaramma. Imaramma, which means you are beautiful. You are beautiful. And when we say Imaramma to you, you can respond by simply saying Imela. Imela, which means thank you. As you can observe, we can write Imela separately or as a single word. When we write separately, the E represents you. Take note of the color of each word, as they are meant to give you idea of their individual meanings. This will do to help you to be able to write Igbo language in addition to speaking the language. Step out there. Tell your girlfriend, Imaramma. Tell your daughter or your son, Imaramma, and expect a response like Imela. Practice this until you know how to pronounce it and use it accordingly. And as you do, remember, it's important that you subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you don't miss our next upload. Also, like and comment so that I can help others to discover this and help people to serve you better. God bless you.